Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you we can change a door call to like a fluted panel. Alright, let's get into it. First you come to cabinets. Okay. Actually any door also can. Alright. So I just show you easier. Okay. Once you put ready, okay, you right click. Then you can see door plate panel type. Okay. Once you're inside here, you come to this one called cloud order base single. Okay. Then come to simple door, which is this one. Okay, after this you come to the simple door again. As you can see this one, right, you can go this one, choose this one. See, you will like install the footer panel style in your door already. Okay, so if you want you can just paint the style from here to here. Okay, if you want to change texture you can change texture, press B, select. Okay, you can use like this, then you interior painter. Okay, there you go. If you don't want the handle you can just right click handle, delete, or right click outside handle, delete. Okay, so hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.